Dreaming of perfectly seared steaks on your next camping trip? Or maybe juicy burgers hot off the grill for your backyard bash? This Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Propane Grill might be your grilling soulmate. This review dives deep into everything this grill offers, helping you decide if it's the key to unlocking delicious and convenient outdoor cooking adventures. Forget wimpy camp grills that leave your food lackluster. The RoadTrip 285 packs a serious punch with a whopping 20,000 BTUs. This translates to perfectly seared steaks, evenly cooked burgers, and even the ability to slow cook with proper heat management. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and BTU breakdown for each burner. Don't worry about burnt offerings or lukewarm results. The RoadTrip 285 boasts 3 independently adjustable burners. This ingenious feature allows you to create different temperature zones on the cooking surface. Sear those steaks to perfection on a high-heat burner, while keeping your veggies warm and toasty on another. No more juggling food or settling for one-dimensional grilling. Picture this: a crowd gathers around, eagerly awaiting your culinary masterpieces. The RoadTrip 285's 285 square inch cooking surface ensures you're the grill master who delivers. This spacious area lets you cook multiple items simultaneously, whether it's burgers for a hungry crew or a variety of grilled vegetables for a healthy feast. Whether you're feeding a small family or a group of friends, the RoadTrip 285 has you covered. Imagine effortlessly grilling skewers, kebabs, or even a whole chicken alongside your burgers. The possibilities are endless, and your guests will be raving about your delicious creations. Gone are the days of wrestling with complicated grill setups. The Coleman RoadTrip 285 prioritizes convenience. The sturdy, quick fold legs allow for effortless assembly and breakdown in mere seconds. 2 wheels further enhance portability, making it a breeze to transport the grill to your campsite, park, or backyard in no time. Imagine arriving at your campsite, famished and ready to grill. The RoadTrip 285 eliminates the frustration of a lengthy setup. Simply pop it out of your car, unfold the legs, and you're ready to cook. Those pre-trip jitters about complicated grilling setups can vanish. This grill is all about ease and delicious results. Ready to transform your outdoor cooking experiences? The Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Propane Grill offers a powerful and versatile solution for campers, tailgaters, and backyard grill enthusiasts alike. Want to see this grill in action and discover more delicious recipe ideas you can try on your next grilling adventure? Stay tuned for our upcoming video review, where we'll put the RoadTrip 285 to the test and show you how to get the most out of this portable powerhouse. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.